Hi everyone, welcome to my Crucial Nook. I'm Linda and we're on day 20 of the Masquerade Advent. Only 4 more days. 4 more days after 20, 21, 22, 25 more days. So we're going to pick today's. What colour do you think it's going to be? So let me see, I want number 20. We've got a little jar full of stars and it's a nice little pink bag today. So, let's see what we've got today. Let's see what we've got today. Oh, Look at that, guys. Look at that. Ooh, very, very nice. So that is today's, and I'll show you yesterday's, which was the 19th, so we can have a comparison. Oh, yes. And I'll do the 18th so you can see. Look at them, guys. So this is the 18th, 19th and 20th, that's today's. They look really nice together. Although I'm not much of a green person, but hey, it's nice. So, they're the colours for today. So what do you think colour's going to be tomorrow? I think we're going to be leading up to the blues, is what I'm guessing. I'm guessing it's going to be blues. Do you think it's going to be blues, guys? Do you? I think it might be. It might very well be. So we'll see. But I'm really liking today's. I'm not a big green fan, but I do like certain greens. So I like it more than I did when I was younger. I hated green when I was younger, but I don't mind it now, quite nice. So yeah guys, so that is day 20 of the Masquerade calendar, Advent calendar. So we've only got 4 more days after today. So thank you all so much for continuing watching my Advent opening. I've really enjoyed it. I can tell you I'm going to enjoy my break after Christmas. I'm taking, I promised Rick that I'd take time off to spend with him and we're visiting family. So got to keep your husband happy, haven't you guys? So anyway, thank you so much. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you. Bye for now.